Welcome to the journey to discover the world of tigers, one of the most majestic and powerful creatures in nature. Tigers are not only a symbol of strength, but also the pride of many cultures, especially in Asia, where they are honored as the kings of the jungle. With their massive bodies, characteristic striped fur, and sharp eyes, tigers make anyone afraid, but at the same time full of admiration for their wild and attractive beauty. Tigers are also known as kings of the jungle because of their top hunting ability and dominance in the natural habitat. They are animals of the cat family, but are the largest in size, with a weight of up to more than 300 kilograms for male tigers and about 170 kilograms for female tigers. Each individual tiger has a unique coat of fur with stripes that are different from each other, like human fingerprints, helping them camouflage perfectly in dense forests or tall grasslands. Tigers range from the humid tropical forests of Southeast Asia to the cold taiga forests of Siberia. They are solitary predators that roam their vast territories and only meet during mating season. Their hunting ability is amazing. They can take down prey many times larger than themselves, such as buffalo, deer, or even bears. With a jump of up to 10 meters, sharp teeth, and extremely strong claws, tigers become one of the most fearsome killers in the animal world. However, the number of tigers in the wild is currently decreasing sharply due to illegal hunting and habitat loss. Many tiger subspecies such as the Bali tiger, Java tiger, or Caspian tiger have become extinct, while the remaining species such as the Sumatran tiger, Bengal tiger are at risk of disappearing forever. Conservation organizations around the world are working hard to protect this animal, but their future is still very fragile. Tigers are not only part of the ecosystem, but also a spiritual cultural symbol of many countries. In East Asian mythology, tigers often appear as guardians to ward off evil spirits. In Vietnam, the image of tigers is depicted in folk paintings, while in India, tigers are the national animal representing strength and pride. Even in modern art, tigers are still an endless source of inspiration, from movies to paintings and sculptures. To protect tigers, we need to join hands to prevent wildlife trafficking, preserve primeval forests, and raise public awareness. Each individual can contribute, no matter how small, to preserve the existence of these beautiful predators. Let's act together before it's too late, because a world without tigers will be a world that loses a part of its greatest wild soul. Let's delve into the amazing biological characteristics of tigers, the factors that make up the majesty and formidable strength of the king of the jungle. The tiger, scientifically known as Panthera tigris, is the largest member of the cat family, even surpassing the lion in size in some subspecies. An adult male tiger can be 2.5 to 3.9 meters long, including the tail, and weigh between 150 and more than 300 kilograms, while the female tiger is usually smaller at around 2.3 to 2.75 meters long and weighs between 100 and 170 kilograms. In particular, the Siberian tiger is the largest subspecies, with males reaching up to 3.7 meters and weighing nearly 400 kilograms, a truly gigantic size that makes them the most fearsome predators on land. The tiger's coat is a masterpiece of nature, not only beautiful but also extremely important for survival. The main color is usually dark orange or light yellow, covered with black and dark brown stripes, forming a unique pattern for each individual. These stripes not only help tigers camouflage perfectly in tall grass or under the canopy of dense forests, but also act as a unique identification mark, similar to fingerprints on humans. Interestingly, even the skin under the fur has corresponding stripes, meaning that if you shave a tiger, it will still retain its characteristic pattern. Not only do tigers have an impressive appearance, they also possess a body that is optimally designed for hunting. Their hind legs are extremely strong, allowing them to jump up to 10 meters in a single pounce, while also helping them run at speeds of up to 65 kilometers per hour, even over short distances. Tigers' wide paws with thick pads help them move smoothly and almost silently when stalking prey. Their claws can retract like domestic cats, but are much sharper, up to 10 centimeters long, and strong enough to tear the flesh of their prey with just one slap. Tiger teeth are another fearsome weapon. Their fangs can grow to 7 to 9 centimeters long, strong enough to pierce the skull or spine of large prey, such as buffalo or deer. The tiger's bite force is estimated at 1,000 psi, enough to crush bones and quickly finish off prey. Tigers' eyes are also well adapted to nocturnal hunting. They have 6 times better vision than humans in the dark thanks to the tapetum lucidum membrane that reflects light, making the tiger's eyes glow eerie when illuminated at night. In terms of social structure, tigers are solitary animals, each occupying a separate territory of 20 to 100 square kilometers, depending on food sources. They mark their territory with urine, feces, and scratches on tree trunks. Unlike lions who live in prides, tigers only find each other during mating season. Female tigers are pregnant for about 3 to 4 months and usually give birth to 2 to 4 cubs per litter. Tiger cubs are born blind and weigh only about 1 kilogram and must live completely dependent on their mother for the first 18 to 24 months of their lives before becoming independent. Tigers are also surprisingly adaptable. They can live in many different environments, from the hot and humid tropical rainforests of Indonesia to the icy Siberian taiga with temperatures of -40 degrees Celsius. The Siberian tiger's thick fur and subcutaneous fat help it withstand the harsh cold, while the Bengal tiger has developed excellent swimming skills to hunt in the mangrove swamps of the Sundarbans. These biological characteristics have turned the tiger into one of nature's most perfect creatures, a hunting machine with almost no weaknesses. But because of this perfection, they have become the target of hunting and habitat loss, pushing many subspecies to the brink of extinction. Understanding tiger biology is not only about discovering the wonders of nature, but also about helping us realize our responsibility to protect these evolutionary masterpieces for future generations. Thank you for listening, and hope that through this information, we will appreciate and love this majestic animal more. Let the roar of the tiger forever echo through the forests so that future generations will still have the opportunity to admire the majestic beauty of the king of all animals.